Yo, yo, yo! Hey, all you listeners out there, this is the heavy band you've heard so much about. Coming to you live from the hood. Let's talk hip-hop, my bros. I'm taking calls. You on?
Hello?
Yeah, you on the air.
I can't hear anyone.
Hello? Hang on. Hello? That's it. Hello, caller. Where you shouting out to us from?
Shit, I want to call this guy out for being a total poser, and the asshole puts me on hold.
You on the air, bro.
Because he was a prison guard at the place where my cousin did his time, and now he acts like he's some kind of ex-con straight off the street.
Hey, that's not. We'll be right back after this.
There he is.
I'm a tiger. I perform every night on stage in front of a crowd of tourists. One night, I decided I've had enough, so I rip off my trainer's arm. Looks like a stagehand left the back door open. Now I'm out in the streets and I'm feeling hungry. I turn left, I turn right, I see you, I pounce. You try to get away, but guess what? I'm 600 pounds of pure bloodthirsty muscle. I tear into you. It's gonna take a lot of doctors to put you back together again. Oh, your HMO doesn't cover tiger attacks? That's a shame. If you had